Facing uncertain times means being ready for anything. Discover reliable Doomsday survival gear and gadgets designed to keep you safe, strong, and prepared. From sturdy shelters to essential tools, these life-saving items can make all the difference when the world throws its toughest challenges. Number 20. Gerber Bushcraft Axe. In the wild, you need more than a blade. You need power. This bushcraft axe delivers strength, balance, and reliability for chopping wood, building shelter, or processing game. Its waterproof handle stores matches, tinder, or paracord, and the rubber grip stays secure in any weather. With a sharp forged steel head and rugged design, it's a tough, practical, and multifunctional tool for serious outdoor use. Number 19. Rino Ready Companion FUF2. Designed for tough situations, this two-person survival kit keeps you prepared for up to 72 hours. The rugged, waterproof, and fire-resistant backpack holds a solar and hand-crank-powered charger, radio, and flashlight, plus a water flask, first aid kit, heat blanket, gloves, and hand warmers. With secure waterproof pockets and a handy survival belt, it's built for safety, convenience, and peace of mind in any emergency. Number 18. LifeSaber. When survival gets unpredictable, having the right gear can mean everything. This versatile all-in-one tool quickly purifies water with its UV module, lights the way with a strobe flashlight, and alerts with an 85 decibel siren. It also serves as a USB power bank, charges by hand or outlet, and packs a plasma arc fire starter heating up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit, ready to spark a fire in any condition. Number 17. Survival Belt 2.0. More than a simple belt, this rugged yet stylish accessory is built for those who value readiness. The US 8 stainless steel buckle conceals a fold-out knife, fire starter, LED flashlight, and bottle opener, like a Swiss Army knife you can wear. Tough enough for harsh conditions, it's a smart, adaptable tool where even the smallest features count in an emergency. Number 16. True Utility FishFace. This durable, versatile multi-tool is built for both daily use and survival needs. With 18 functions, including screwdrivers, wrenches, and a bottle opener, it packs serious utility into a compact, pocket-friendly design. Made from black titanium-coated stainless steel, it's strong, sleek, and long-lasting. Lightweight and slim, it easily attaches to a keychain or fits in a pocket, keeping you ready for quick repairs, emergencies, and everyday tasks. Number 15. Nextool Multifunctional Shovel. This heavy-duty multifunctional shovel is designed for outdoor survival, camping, and emergency use. Its adjustable design allows it to work as a shovel, hoe, or pickaxe, making it versatile for digging, chopping, or clearing. Built from high-strength materials, it's durable enough for tough conditions. The handle stores extra tools like a fire starter, screwdriver, and whistle, giving you multiple survival functions in one compact, portable package. Number 14. Firelight Lighter. This portable camping lighter is perfect for outdoor adventures and survival situations. It uses plasma arc technology instead of fuel, making it windproof, waterproof, and safe to use in any weather. Rechargeable via USB, it's eco-friendly and reliable. Its compact, durable design fits easily in your pocket or pack, ensuring you can start a fire for cooking, warmth, or emergencies whenever you need it. Number 13. Ingalls Folding Knife. This compact adventure knife is built for campsite tasks, combining strength with an easy-to-use design. It features a patented push-button lock for smooth, secure opening and a 2.6-inch thick D2 steel blade for durability. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's comfortable for beginners and reliable for experienced users. With a lanyard loop and portable size, it's ideal for handling both simple and demanding outdoor jobs. Number 12. BigBlue Solar Charger. This portable solar charger delivers 20% more power with its shadow-free design and high-efficiency N-type solar cells, even in low light. Featuring 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, it charges multiple devices at once in direct sunlight. Lightweight, foldable, and IP44 water-resistant, it's perfect for camping or emergencies, powering phones, GPS, flashlights, and more safely and efficiently without storing electricity. Number 11. Greeshow Water Purifier. This portable electric water purifier uses a 6-stage filtration system, including ultrafiltration, activated carbon, and coconut carbon fiber, to remove impurities and improve taste. Weighing only 350 grams, it's easy to carry and delivers 700 milliliters of clean water per minute. With a rechargeable battery, emergency light, and multiple charging options, it's perfect for camping, hiking, and travel, turning natural water sources into safe drinking water anytime. Number 10. KneeGuard Plus. Working on the ground can be tough on your knees, but these professional knee pads offer strong protection. A dual-layer design with gel and EVA foam cushions impacts while molding to your knee for comfort. The TPR cap grips surfaces and shields from sharp objects, while reinforced straps keep them secure. Breathable 600D mesh prevents overheating, making them a durable and comfortable choice for all-day use. Number 9. Extractor Pump. In case of a snake bite, every second matters. This extractor pump uses powerful suction to remove venom from under the skin before it enters the bloodstream, giving you more time to get medical help. It comes with 4 tips for different bites, works with one hand, and is reusable for years. While not a cure, those extra minutes could be life-saving. Number 8. X2 Climbing Steps. Climbing to track requires secure footing, and these lightweight aluminum steps deliver just that. Weighing only 740 grams, they can hold up to 160 kilograms, with 25 centimeters wide steps for stability, even in heavy boots. The slide lock system connects sections vertically or around branches, while a sand-coated surface and V-shaped teeth prevent slipping. With a 12-centimeter offset for comfort and AAA SM certification, they're built for safety and reliability in any weather. Number 7. Tiny Sleeping Pad R09. At high altitudes, inflating a sleeping pad by mouth can be exhausting, so this one has a built-in electric pump that fills 100 liters per minute. A single charge inflates it up to 10 times. With insulation ratings from 3.5 to 9.5, it suits any season. The warmest model weighs 668 grams, packs to bottle size, and at 9 centimeters thick, keeps you comfortable over rough ground. Number 6. Micro Sharpener. A dull knife can be risky, but this compact sharpener keeps blades ready anywhere. It features a diamond plate for coarse sharpening, a ceramic rod for fine honing, and angle guides for precision. Hidden inside is a screwdriver with Torx T6, T8, and T10 bits, fitting most folding knives. Light and keychain friendly, it's perfect for quick fixes and sharpening in the field, on the job, or during outdoor trips. Number 5. SOG Powerlock Multi-Tool. This heavy-duty multi-tool features 18 stainless steel tools, including pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, wire strippers, and a crimper, built for tough field use. Its compound leverage design makes cutting and tightening easier, while the ballistic nylon sheath allows easy belt or pack carry. With a secure locking system and black oxide coating for corrosion resistance and low reflection, it's a durable, versatile tool set for demanding tasks anywhere. Number 4. TacMed Solutions Rise. Accidental falls can happen to anyone, especially cyclists on forest trails. This lightweight splint, weighing only 113 grams, is compact enough to fit in military-grade first aid kits. It unfolds to 81 centimeters, holding injured limbs at a 90-degree angle for proper immobilization. Durable and reusable, it provides reliable support in emergencies, making it an essential tool for outdoor activities and first aid preparedness. Number 3. T-Rex Tape. There's a tape for every need, a waterproof version for plumbers, an all-weather option for indoor and outdoor work, and an ultra-strong model for survivalists. The toughest variant, featuring advanced Forge Link technology, can support up to 37.5 kilograms when looped, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Durable, versatile, and reliable, these tapes are designed to handle a wide range of jobs with ease. Number 2. United Cutlery Harpoon. This versatile knife can be turned into a spear or harpoon by attaching it to a stick, thanks to its specially shaped blade and hilt with holes. Beyond survival use, it's great for preparing food at the campsite. The 9.5 centimeter blade comes with a convenient nylon sheath, making it easy to carry and ready for outdoor adventures. Number 1. Pocket Chainsaw. This 36-inch manual pocket chainsaw cuts through thick tree limbs quickly with 48 razor-sharp bidirectional teeth. Made from durable 65 Mn steel, it handles repeated outdoor use without breaking. Its lightweight design, ergonomic nylon handles, and bright color make it easy and comfortable to use. Perfect for camping, hiking, or backpacking, the portable saw fits in tight spaces, swings over high branches, and comes with a storage pouch for easy carrying. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.